Nova Precision, innovation meets efficiency on the shop floor. Our lean solutions are designed to transform the way teams work, creating smarter, safer, and more adaptable production environments. From modular workstations to fully customized assembly lines, our systems are built using versatile aluminum extrusion frameworks that evolve with your process. Every detail is engineered with purpose, enhancing ergonomics, improving workflow, and supporting team members at every step. By reducing waste and streamlining operations, we help manufacturers work more efficiently while maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. Whether it's optimizing a single workstation or an entire production line, our solutions are tailored to meet real-world challenges. At Nova Precision, we don't just build equipment, we build solutions that empower people, improve performance, and drive continuous improvement.